Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Classic Geometry Dash. To begin, you'll want to identify the specific version you wish to experience. Many players seek out versions prior to major updates, like 2.0 or 2.1, for their unique feel. We'll cover the primary method for accessing these older builds, ensuring you can relive those cherished early game moments. This approach focuses on stability and authenticity, providing a genuine retro gameplay experience. The primary method involves sourcing older game builds from reputable community archives or specific game launchers. These platforms often host various versions, allowing you to select your preferred one. Always ensure the source is trustworthy to avoid corrupted files or security risks. Once downloaded, you'll typically install it as a standalone application, separate from any current versions you might have. This keeps your modern game intact while you explore the past. After obtaining your desired older version, the next step is installation. For PC users, this usually means extracting files to a new folder. Mobile users might need to sideload an APK, which requires enabling unknown sources in settings. Once installed, launch the game and adjust settings like resolution or frame rate to match the original experience. Many players find that playing on a 60 Hz monitor truly captures the classic feel, just as it was originally designed. Now that you're set up, it's time to enjoy the Classic Geometry Dash experience. Seek out levels specifically designed for the version you're playing. These levels often feature unique design philosophies and challenges that differ significantly from modern creations. Engage with online communities dedicated to older versions. They are excellent resources for finding classic levels and sharing your nostalgic journey. There are thousands of levels waiting to be rediscovered, offering countless hours of retro fun.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.